How can I challenge an unfavorable IRS audit decision? Imagine opening a letter from the IRS and feeling your stomach tighten. If the audit results are not what you expected, don't worry. You have options to stand up for your rights. When you disagree with the IRS, the first step is to review the audit findings carefully. Look at each item they questioned and gather all the proof you have. This can include receipts, invoices, bank statements, or any documents that support your position. Make sure everything is organized so you can clearly explain your side. Next, you need to write a formal appeal letter. This letter should be clear and concise. State exactly why you disagree with the IRS decision. Include your contact information, the specific items you are contesting, and the reasons you believe the findings are wrong. It is very helpful to cite relevant tax laws or regulations that support your case. Attach copies of all supporting documents to strengthen your appeal. Send your appeal to the address provided in the IRS letter you received. It is very important to send it to the correct address to avoid delays. Do not send your appeal directly to the IRS Independent Office of Appeals right away. Instead, follow the instructions in your audit letter. The IRS Independent Office of Appeals is an impartial division that reviews disputes fairly. You can choose to representing yourself or hire a qualified tax professional like an attorney, certified public accountant, or enrolled agent to help you. There are two main ways to request an appeal. If your case involves a small amount of money or simple issues, you can make a small case request. For larger amounts or more complex issues, you will need to submit a formal written protest. This protest should include your facts, reasons for disagreement, and any legal support. Be sure to include your contact details and a detailed explanation. If the IRS Appeals Office cannot resolve your dispute, you might consider taking your case to the U.S. Tax Court or other federal courts. However, starting with the IRS appeal process is usually faster and less costly. It also keeps your options open for a fair resolution. For Latino families, working with bilingual tax professionals or community organizations can make the process easier. They understand IRS procedures and can help you communicate effectively. Remember, you have the right to respectful treatment and clear explanations at every step. If you have new information that was not considered during the original audit, you can request an audit reconsideration. This means the IRS will review your case again with the new facts. Keep in mind, you cannot request reconsideration if you already paid the full amount owed or signed an agreement accepting the IRS findings. In summary, challenging an unfavorable IRS audit decision involves reviewing the findings, gathering proof, writing a clear appeal letter, and sending it to the right address. You should explain your disagreement, cite relevant laws, and consider professional help if needed. If new facts come up, ask for an audit reconsideration. Using these steps can help protect your rights and give you a fair chance to resolve the issue.